Hello everyone, myself Himanshu Dhupia. I welcome you all at Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. Today we are going to solve the UPSC CSE 2025 prelims questions. Number is 33. Already we have solved the 32, all the 32 questions. Please go check those out. So we are having this particular series, and the question is, consider the following statements. Statement 1 is, scientific studies suggest that a shift is taking place in Earth's rotation axis. Okay. Then statement 2, solar flares and associated coronal mass ejections, CME, generally we call it in geography, bombarded the Earth's outermost atmosphere, tremendous amount of energy. Statement 3, as the Earth's polar ice melts, the water tends to move toward the equator. So let's break down each statement in detail, and these are the options. We will check them out. So first of all, statement 1, recent statement 1 is correct. What is statement 1? That yes, there is a shift taking place in Earth's rotation. Earth's rotation means, like, if this is Earth, it is rotating. Okay, so there is a shift in the axis also, in the rotation also. So what exactly happening? Who told about these things? That NASA, recent scientific studies including those from NASA have confirmed that the Earth axis of rotation is shifting, and this phenomenon is called as polar wandering. Means go here and there. So poles are also going here and there. That is called polar wandering. It's not a new process. It happened in the past also, and it is happening now also. So statement 1 is correct. If you want to know more about polar wandering, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely make a long video about it. Fine. Okay. Now second option, statement 2. So statement 2 is also correct, students, that solar flare and coronal mass injections are solar phenomenon that frequently impact Earth's magnetosphere and upper atmosphere, depositing large amounts of energy. This is statement 2. Okay. Now this is also correct, students. Reason is being that yes, Earth's magnetosphere and upper atmosphere is frequently, it is impacted. Okay, this is the second question, that solar flares and associated coronal mass injections bombarded the Earth's outermost atmosphere. Yes, it is also right. So statement 1 is also right. Statement 2 is also right. Okay, let's move to the statement 3. So statement 3 is also correct. So the melting of polar ice, like poles are here, so polar ice melting add a vast amount of water to the oceans. Obviously, students, that if we will have polar ice melting, don't you think where that water will go? That water is going into oceans, and when that fresh water will end up in the ocean, it will become the saline water. But what will happen? The sea level will also increase, right? So due to the planet's rotation, since our Earth is rotating, what is happening? The more and more water is moving towards what? Moving towards the equator. It is moving away from the poles, because Earth is like a bulge, right? It's bulging from the middle. So that's why all the water is coming toward the equator. Okay, and more ice melting, more and more water is moving towards the equator. So that's why our Earth's mass, our Earth's weight is also concentrating at one place only. So statement 3 is also correct. Okay, so students, answer option 2 will be correct, that both statement 2 and statement 3 are correct, but only one of them explains statement 1. Only one of them. Okay, that you have to understand. So statement 2 is explaining statement 1, that you have to understand, because statement 3 and statement 1, there is no any, like, yeah, ice melting and what is Earth rotation not have anything in common. You have to remember that. Okay, that's why option 2 is the correct one. Okay, so I hope you like this explanation. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe the channel.